How you guys doing? It's here, Sevi from our Abroad Dental Clinic, and I'm here with our lovely patient here. How you doing? Good. He's a bit nervous. He's gonna get his teeth done here in our clinic, and I just wanted to get forward with you of why you should choose a trustworthy clinic here in Antalya. How you feeling?
Scared.
We do have a lot of patients that do get scared of getting their teeth done here in Antalya. It's not just the material. We're also here provided with monolithic zirconia crowns, which is what our friend Troy is going to be getting here in a couple of minutes. Monolithic zirconia crowns are the best suitable crowns that we actually offer to our patients. It's actually really good for people who chew on hard food, and if you have bruxism where you grind your teeth at night, it's best to use this type of material because it's not really easy to straighten, it's not easy to get chipped, and it can also last you for 2 more decades if you do it with proper care. And our friend Troy here, I'm happy that he chose our family to be getting his teeth done here at our Abroad Dental Clinic. Do you have anything to say?
No. Okay.
That's it for today, and if you guys are looking for getting an experienced, specialized dentist, we'll be going with you from A to Z of getting your treatment done here at our clinic. Feel free to contact her and I'll be happily here to help you. Thank you and have a nice day.